y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. I am mixing up some cleaner, all-purpose cleaner that I use throughout the house to get smudges off and grease and whatever. I just put some white vinegar and then I use the rest water. And then I will use just a little bit of juice from a lime, a lemon, a orange, something citrusy. It smells good. I sprayed my oven inside and out with this yesterday and then self-cleaned the oven. Just a little tip on what you can do and mix it up yourself and maybe save yourself some money as well. Cleaner, all-purpose, water, vinegar, and a citrus fruit, or you can use essential oils. Anyway, that's what I'm doing today is cleaning. See y'all. Have a good one.